Juvenile misconduct is a growing concern for law enforcement nationwide. The video, Immature Teens Get a Huge Reality Check, captures a shocking incident where teenagers caused chaos in a public place, ignoring police commands and escalating the situation. Policing adolescents is challenging, as officers must balance public safety while understanding the impulsive nature of youth. The impact on their futures is significant. This highlights the need for parental guidance, rehabilitation programs, and fostering respect for authority to prevent.
What is y'all doing?
We just saying.
Okay, but they don't saw y'all breaking stuff. Sir, get up.
Hey, wake him up. Wake him up.
Sir.
But he ain't did nothing. He
Get
been
up.
sitting there the whole time.
Sweetheart, if you ain't do nothing, be quiet.
Dang.
Y'all was breaking stuff. Y'all done broke wine bottles. It's on camera. They done caught y'all breaking stuff. Where y'all parents?
I ain't got no money.
Why y'all not home or no park or something? This is not the spot. Kroger do not allow this. Y'all not supposed to eat. Look, he already messing up the furniture.
That man's slow. It ain't hard to fix. Come on, come on, y'all. We finna leave.
What you say? Y'all come here. Don't make this harder than what it has to be because y'all old enough to go. So sit down and listen to what we gotta say.
This officer talking to y'all, then stop moving. You understand me?
No, but what the f***?
I'm not gonna play with you because I know you already been kicked out of the mall today. Okay? Time to leave. Get up, man. Time to go.
Chill out. Screaming. I heard you, man.
Let's go. That way. Out. Out. Outside. I don't care if you wait you leave. Okay?
Not too much of my sister, though.
Let's go.
Tie my shoe.
I'm not worried about your shoe. You can tie that outside. Let's go.
My cousin either.
Go. Go.
You work at M-Mark, man. Shut the fuck down. You gonna get your ass.
Go.
You work at M-Mark. You ain't working. You ain't working nowhere. You ain't working nowhere.
Let's go.
You ain't working nowhere.
Let's go. Time to
You ain't
go.
working nowhere.
Are you his parent?
I'm not his parent.
All right, then let's go.
Yeah, his parent.
Let's go. I'm going to put you in handcuffs in a minute. Do you understand that?
Don't touch him again.
Excuse me? He's going to listen or he's going to go in handcuffs. Now let's go.
I'm not even doing that. I'm finna walk up. It's not working.
Four Delta 2. Send me a couple more units. I got 6 juveniles that are being disorderly.
Get off me.
Come here. Come here, sweetie. Sweetie. Come here. What's your name? I don't got a name. Listen here, sweetie. That's not me. That's what harder than what it has to be.
Ma'am, I've been sitting on the couch
I
the whole
understand,
time.
but y'all together, I'm getting everybody's name. Everybody else cooperating, you cooperate as well. What's your name?
My name's Kayla.
Outside. I don't care who you're waiting on. Outside.
46 now.
Just trying to get them outside. They're not wanting to go and one's wanting to struggle with me.
I'm trying to get my
No. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm trying to get my ball.
Put your hand behind your back.
I'm finna walk out.
Put your hands behind your back. Now. Put your hands behind your back.
Somebody get this
No, you're not listening to me.
off me. What the f*** is wrong with you? Let me.
I gave you orders.
I don't give a what the f*** is wrong. I don't give a f***. Get the f*** off me. What the fuck wrong with you? Get the off me.
Now we're down to 2. Send me units in 18. One's wanting to fight with me.
Holy baby.
Go down.
No, you're doing that.
Get off of me or you're going to cuff too.
Get down.
Hey, y'all, bud. Got them up. No, baby. Back up. Let go or you be taken on the ground. Okay, look at here. Here. Look at that. I'm trying to get. It's not meant to be gentle.
Watch out. Watch out.
What the? Get the off me.
my brother.
Stand up.
Look, I can't.
Stand up.
Look what
It's not
can
meant
get
to be
up.
gentle.
Watch out! Watch out! He ain't going right out. Handcuffs on, man. Let
Let go.
Come here.
Let go.
well, you man, get your goddamn hands off.
Hey.
Hey, chill out.
Watch out, let me get my phone.
No, come here. Hey, let's go. Let's go.
Man, get the off me, car. I don't even move like that.
I don't get your phone. Let's go.
Phone is over there.
Come on, Jacob.
No idea. You get your phone? We ain't shopping anymore, so you can turn around and leave the store right now.
Phone, shit.
Hey, where's your phone then?
Man, I'm going to get it.
Where is it? We can help you find it.
Look, bro, I'm not getting in that car. Look, bro, can y'all please call y'all sergeant? Look, bro, no.
I am the sergeant.
Okay,
I am a
look, bro.
sergeant, smart one.
Look, bro, no, can y'all talk to me first? Look, God damn.
Let go. If you want to go in handcuffs, keep it up or back off.
Back off.
Back off. Look, bro,
Get in the
You
car.
either get in or I'm throwing you in. You got 1 minute.
Look, bro, wait. Can y'all listen, please? Look, bro, these handcuffs.
Move your leg.
Get all the way in.
These handcuffs, man. Can you please?
We'll adjust them once you're in. Get in.
Okay, you cannot.
Get in.
You cannot push me.
Get in.
I can't. The f***ing buckler's behind me, sir. I was trying to, sir. What the f*** that hurt? My.
We're not walking around looking at merchandise right now.
I don't want this handcuffs.
You should be in. You should be in handcuffs right now for assaulting my officer back there. Okay. I'm giving you a chance to get your phone. If you're not going to get your, I'm going to take you outside and handcuff. Go. Come on.
You think I'm doing?
Wherever you're at. Come on.
Hell, God, he's tweaking.
Alright. Now let's get out. Come on. You don't need to fix it. They'll fix it.
I respect, but I don't mess up.
Let's just go.
I ain't did. I walked in.
Go home. Go home. You good, Sarge?
Out of breath, but I'm good.
Where's the other one?
There's five others in there.
Webb and Todd are with him.
They're all out now.
But bro, what the bro? I was leaving.
Huh?
We can't leave.
He's gonna be all right. There's 100 of us here. There's cameras. Are you going to Taco Bell or not? If not, then sit over there and be quiet.
Since you know the people he was with, will you try to, the ones that are left, try to get their info?
I got their name.
Thank you.
What's your mama number?
She answered the phone.
Give me her number. I'll call her.
Ma'am, you have an ID on you, by chance?
Hey, listen. What's your brother's name? If you don't tell us, he's got to go to the jail.
No, we don't.
That's how that works.
Damn, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
You're rolling deep for 4 people.
6.
She's not going to tell us either. They'll just have to
You want to go,
fingerprint
boy?
it.
Come on, man. That makes sense. Oh
Oh, where you going?
God, I'm gonna walk with him.
Where you going?
Stop right there. You're not coming in closer. Stop and walk down there.
Come over here.
You can sit right there.
Say we can go over.
Walk that way.
The officer said we can go.
No, you're not. Walk that way.
Say we can come over there.
Who are you?
Officer McDonald. Now
The
walk
officer
that
said
way.
we can come over here.
64386. Walk.
That officer over there said we can come over here. You got pepper spray out like we are threatening. We just standing.
Walk that way.
2 of us, 3 of you.
What the f*** you mean? Y'all roll
Walk
the D. What
that
the hell?
way.
1,
Now.
2.
1, 2, 3. What the
Walk that way now, or I'm going to put all 3 of you in handcuffs and you can join him in the car.
They stand
All right?
right up.
All right, turn around, put your ass in your back.
I'm not, don't touch me.
Nope,
I didn't
turn
do
around, put your ass in your back.
Touch nobody. I ain't God, like what the f***? Tighten up. I'm standing here. No. You can get out my face. As long as I ain't, whatever the f*** sounds what they said.
Boss man, go ahead and put your lighter down for me.
Y'all doing?
Stand up.
If I'm just sitting down playing.
Behind your back.
You're going to be under arrest too.
What the I do.
Battery on a Leo.
Battery on the. Why I didn't touch nobody?
Yeah, you did.
Who?
It's on his body camera and the Kroger
Who I
camera.
touched? Y'all sweet.
No, no, take it. Go, go.
Sweet, dog. I ain't touch not a damn person.
I ain't even doing
I'm not gonna do a step on my phone.
Let him handcuff you. Don't do this.
Man, what the f you mean? I didn't touch no. Bro, that's family, man.
You want to get tased? Put your hand behind
Bro,
your
we
back.
didn't do anything. Exactly, bro. I'm just sitting here.
No, y'all tweet.
Pull it behind you. There's the cuff right here.
Why y'all arresting them?
Obstruction.
Let me go. Stop. Y'all got the handcuffs off me. Y'all tweaking, cuz. Tweak, bro. I'm not doing. I'm sitting here. I ain't hit nobody. I ain't touched nobody.
Bro, get off me. Bro, quit.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Man.
In the car.
Bro, I can get him. I'm man.
Move your legs.
I'm trying to move.
Move your legs.
No.
Your legs.
Man, you just scratched the f out my face. Man, let me the f go. Man, get these motherfuckers off me, man. Man, don't let me, bro. Y'all rolling. You know my Get your ass off me, man. I'ma get up. Hold, move. Grab my phone, car. Don't touch my I tweet out, man. Man, let me go, man. Y'all got me up now. Move. Man, I don't give a fuck that. Huh? Man,
You're under arrest.
Get in the car. Take the take the badges off, cuz. Hey, y'all.
Now, as parents, we have to remember to discipline our children. It's not the duty of law enforcement. Hey everyone, I'm John. I appreciate you watching. Now, when dealing with juveniles as a police officer, it can be extremely difficult because even though they may be under 18, they can still commit crimes and be potentially dangerous. Now, thinking back, I once had to clear a corner of juveniles cutting class, and what was supposed to be simple turned into a fight on a highway. As all of the juveniles were clearing out and made their way to school, there was one particular juvenile that just refused to listen. Now, as I exited my cruiser and made my way towards him just to talk to him, he became verbally argumentative and then tried to walk in the opposite way of the school. As I grabbed his arm, he took a swing at me, which grazed my face, and then the second swing connected with my shoulder. Well, needless to say, he was arrested at this point for assaulting a police officer. And once backup arrived, he was put in the back of a wagon and transported to headquarters. But at court, he did apologize and they gave him some community service. However, sometimes I still wonder what happens to kids that have these type of interactions with police. Now, police often face the challenge of balancing public safety with the need for rehabilitation programs like diversion initiatives that aim to redirect young offenders away from the justice system, focusing instead on education and community service. But there is a catch. The stigma of an arrest can linger and affect a young person's future opportunities. Now, with this case out of Savannah, we have kids hanging around Kroger's, allegedly breaking items and lounging on patio furniture. And I believe one of the males is actually sleeping. Now, police did give him verbal commands and gave him a chance to leave the store. However, the juveniles refused to listen and start to physically resist the police once the cuffs come out. Then police end up arresting numerous juveniles, and I'm sure numerous uses of force will have to be written. And it's actually sad because these are children, but unfortunately, this is happening more often than not across the country between juveniles and law enforcement. Now, it's a sad fact, but nearly 430,000 children were arrested in 2020 alone, and juvenile courts across the country hear nearly 800,000 cases each year. So our children are definitely worth putting the time and effort into raising them the best way possible. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. Remember to be safe, and I'll see you on the next one.
The suspects shown were arrested on felony obstruction and disorderly conduct charges. The suspects in this case are presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.